Hello, welcome to MarineMax in Fort Walton Beach. I'm Jay Calkin. Today I'm going to be showing you the 2022 Harris 230 Cruiser. If you're looking for a rental boat for the upcoming season, this one would be perfect for you. As we walk around, we'll point out the full aluminum M bracket, which gives you great support, especially with our bay, seeing as it does get choppy out there. As we come to the back, you see nice stainless steel cup holders on the outside of the seats, so that if you're in the water, you can utilize these for holding your drinks and whatnot. Excellent design there. This boat's outfitted with a 60 horsepower Mercury, gives you plenty of power to get through the chop that we might get out here in the Sound and the bay. Also comes with a stainless steel telescoping swim ladder, very sturdy, protrudes out so you can actually get up, on and off the boat very easily. Here topside, you'll see that the seats have very nice stainless steel sturdy hardware there, so you won't have to worry about your seats flying off while you're underway. Also, they have a rotocast design which pushes the water away from anything you're going to be storing in there. The helm seat is equipped with swivel as well as back seat adjustment, and everything's very ergonomically designed here, very user friendly. Doors, easy operation, and they can actually hold 400 pounds towards the outside, so very safe there. This also features a hideaway trash can. Harris thinks of everything. Up here towards the bow, much more storage under all these seats, so you definitely have enough room to store anything you want to bring on the boat. Once again, I'm Jay Calka. If you're looking to build your next rental pontoon, call me at 850-225-9797 or stop by MarineMax in Fort Walton Beach. We'll see you soon.